There's a theory put forth by Richard Leakey.
I'll tell you about a couple things I learned while working at the coffee house. First of all, the customer is always right. A smile goes a long way. And if anyone is ever rude to you, sneeze Muffin.
Thanks, Rach. Hey, look, you guys are just terrific, you know? Now, how about clearing out of here so I can get some new customers? Huh? It's all about turnover.
Joey, seriously, can I get my coffee?
Oh, I'm sorry, Ross. I'll get it for you right now. And since I made you wait, I'll toss in a free muffin.
This adoption stuff is so overwhelming. There's inter-country adoption, dependency adoption. There's so many ways to go, and this is like the biggest decision of our lives.
There's a hair in my coffee.